Meet the 2025 Arcane Archer. No longer just elves with bows. Now they can wield any ammo-based weapon, deal scaling magic damage, and manipulate the battlefield like dedicated spellcasters. But does this overhaul truly hit the mark? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to Eternity TTRPG. Today we're shooting straight at the new Arcane Archer from Unearthed Arcana. Since 2017, Xanathar's Guide, this fighter subclass has been overshadowed by melee-centric options. But Wizards just buffed it hard in their latest UA Arcane subclasses playtest. So it's time to ask, of course, is this the ranged spotlight the subclass has always deserved? Arcane Archer lore now grants proficiency in both Arcana and Nature, strengthening its Elven Archer ancestry, but broadening its identity. Previously, Arcane Shot was limited to bows and could only be used twice per rest. Now, however, you can channel effects through any ammunition property weapon. That would be even blowguns or slings, with uses tied to your intelligence modifier, and it features a scaling Arcane Shot die. This isn't just incremental either, it's actually a quantum leap in design. The subclass now scales with you, and it's not sealed off after only 2 shots. Here's some other new critical features to the class that you may want to check out. The Ever Ready shot is now at level 7 instead of 15, giving Arcane Archers a much earlier safety net to stay magically effective in more fights. With this ability, when you roll initiative and have no uses of Arcane Shot left, you regain 1 use automatically. Then there's also the improved, powerful, and masterful shots. These are tiered upgrades to Arcane Shot that progressively increase your Arcane Shot die from a D6 base to a D8 at level 10, D10 at level 15, and a D12 at level 18. It boosts the damage and effectiveness of every magical shot. These features actually didn't exist in the 2017 version at all. This is a brand new scaling mechanic to make the subclass's magical damage grow meaningfully with your level, which is a huge upgrade to the overall class design. These 2 updates together ensure that each Arcane Archer level feels meaningful. The earlier and more frequent upgrades basically round out the subclass in ways that it really needed. And just as a quick interjection, it's worth noting as well that Arcane Shot is far more advanced than it was, say, back in the 3.5 edition. Now you have a variety of Arcane Shots, including things like Banishing Shot, which deals psychic damage and forces a charisma save. There's also Seeking Shot, where you choose a creature you've seen in the past minute and the ammo seeks them out, flying around corners. And there's also a host of other options that make your Arcane Shots really do a huge number of interesting things both in and out of combat. Okay, so the new Arcane Archer is packed with magical power, but like any subclass, it comes with a few strings attached. Here's issue number 1, intelligence matters. Most fighter builds focus on strength or dexterity to hit hard and take hits, but the Arcane Archer needs intelligence too, because all your magical shots rely on it for saving throw DCs. So if you don't invest in intelligence, enemies will resist your effects more often. Issue number 2, the weapon weirdness. Well, you can also say it's one of the coolest things, but now you can use any weapon with the ammunition property, not just bows. So that could even mean blowguns, crossbows, or firearms if your DM allows it and if the campaign fits. But here's the catch. Guns and ammo rules aren't standard in every campaign of D&D. So your DM has to give the green light, and not every table runs with optional gear or rules. So while the subclass is a powerhouse on paper, it takes still a thoughtful build and potentially even a cooperative DM to really make it shine. So the final verdict? Overall, the 2025 Arcane Archer nails the bullseye. It's versatile, it scales smoothly, it has earlier impact, and remains flavorful. Definitely the best version yet. If you want to test it, grab the Unearthed Arcana PDF and share your build ideas below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tabletop RPG coverage.